In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Traverse key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish, and the only things you'll need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to get one, you can go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. And now one thing to note here is in the thumbnail, you probably saw the 6-button version of this device as well. You can see I've got the 5-button and the 4-button version. There's another one that has 6 buttons on it. Doesn't matter which one you have, they are the same device, and the process to open them and the battery that they take is going to be the same. So you can just follow along with this video and we'll get a new battery in there in no time. So the first step here is just to look on the bottom right of your device, right next to where the key ring attaches. There is a little slot that runs along the seam. It's a very thin area. And in that opening, we're going to take our flathead and put it in there. Once it's stuck in there a little bit, you can just hold the device gently, kind of loosely on the sides here, and twist your flathead. And as soon as you feel that start to open up, you can just take your flathead out and pull it open with your fingers. From here, we want to gently lift out the circuit board. So just grab onto the battery with your fingernail or with your flathead and just lift it up so we can pull this thing out. Now you can set this to the side. From here, just handle this on the sides. Don't touch too much on the faces. And all we want to do is pull the battery right out. Alternatively, just do it with your flathead. Again, you're just getting in there and pushing it out. There we go. And once you got your battery out of there, you can dispose of your old one. Make sure your new battery is a CR2032. And when you're putting it in, the positive side that has the plus sign on it should be facing up. So you'll just slide it into this metal housing, positive side up. And all we need to do now is put it back together. So grab the front of your device that has the rubber in it and just take the circuit board and drop it right in there with the battery facing up. Push down, just make sure that it is sitting flat in there before taking the back, setting it on there, and squeezing everything back together. And once you've done that, you are all set. You've got a new battery in there and you are good to go. So I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more, excuse me, over at our website, which is FobBattery.com.